Kei aku rangatira Ngāti Awa, he manu hau a hau, he pi karere, koe ko tēnei mihi kaua ki a tātou. I tēnei wā o te mate uruta. Nei rā kamihi ki a koutou, e tiaki nei i a koutou anō, a koutou whānau, a koutou kraua, a koutou kuia, no reira, nei rā kamihi. Just a very quick catch-up. This is my second appearance as the chair of the Te Rūnanga Ngāti Awa. Just want to wish all of you safety. We have been getting updates from the Crown in terms of the impacts of this mate uruta, this coronavirus. And it is my intention, our intention as Te Rūnanga to be posting on the website the updates to keep our delegates informed, to be able to keep you informed. Going to be a little bit trying in the circumstances, given that face-to-face is no longer an option and that we will be using technology. Well aware that many of you are not on media comms, Facebook websites and the like, and so that's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm sure that our delegates will find ways and means of updating you on information. Our number one priority as the Board of Te Rūnanga Ngāti Awa is your well-being, your health and your safety. It is our number one priority, and therefore we have got measures in place to be able to support you at this time and over the next few weeks as we deal with this lockdown. Be safe, whānau. Look after yourselves, look after each other, keep in contact with your wider whānau, keep an eye on our kraua and our kuia, and I will update you again shortly. Kia ora.